This is Andon Carling, podcasting today with Alex Lawrence, partner and chief evangelist for Funding Universe, the one-stop shop for small business finance needs. Thank you for joining us today, Alex.
Thanks, Andon. Great to be here.
Funding Universe's popular CrowdPitch event is coming to Phoenix on October 28th, and I understand that the organization is committing to helping even more entrepreneurs in the Phoenix area. First of all, what has Funding Universe been doing on a national level to foster entrepreneurial growth in this tough economic period?
Well, in 2009, year-to-date so far, we've helped businesses from all corners of the U.S. receive just over $33 million in funding for their businesses. We've seen very small businesses and startup businesses all the way to large ones and everywhere in between, from Florida to California and from the Dakotas down to Texas. And so we've had a good results and good impact helping businesses get the funding they need, both debt and equity, in a variety of spaces. And right now, we work with roughly 7,000 businesses or so a month.
Tell us a little more about that commitment to Phoenix.
Sure. Starting, as you mentioned, next week, we'll have our first monthly event, which will be a CrowdPitch event, which is an exciting opportunity for 5 local Phoenix businesses to pitch in an American Idol-style Shark Tank-type environment where we've got 6 prominent local angel investors and an audience full of other business owners and entrepreneurs, with the 5 companies pitching their business ideas and getting live feedback from both the audience and the panelist members. And the winner of the event, as decided by our audience and our panelists, who vote for the winner by Funding Universe monopoly money that they receive, and then they invest it by giving it to the company of their choice at the end of the 5 pitches. The winner, being the one with the most investment dollars, will receive about $15,000 in legal services, accounting services, Funding Universe's financing help, search engine optimization, phone systems, free rent. It's quite a nice package that will help the winner with most of their business expenses for the next 6 months. Our longer-term commitment to Phoenix revolves around the fact that we've signed a lease with our partners there at Gangplank, and we will have a permanent location wherein we'll have full-time staff that will offer the Funding Universe monthly events, which is the CrowdPitch, the Speed Pitch, Angel Investor of the Year Banquet, and the annual Entrepreneur Conference to the greater Phoenix area, as well as help the local entrepreneurial ecosystem with their funding and financing needs. So we're going to have a permanent presence there. We're going to have monthly events. All of the events are free for the entrepreneurs and the audience members, and we're excited to contribute a monthly prize of between $15,000 and $25,000 to the Phoenix entrepreneurial ecosystem, as well as have a permanent physical presence to try and take the products and services that we use to the greater Phoenix market, try and help them foster entrepreneurship, start businesses, create jobs, and help prop this economy back up a little bit.
The resources Funding Universe offers are in high demand around the nation. Why are you focusing on Phoenix?
There's a number of reasons. Phoenix will be our first full-time office that will open outside of our headquarters in Salt Lake City. We do have other offices opening shortly thereafter in other surrounding markets. But Phoenix, there's a couple of reasons why we're going to Phoenix first. One of them is the fact that we feel like we've got a really strong network of angel investors and venture capitalists and other partners who are actively looking for investments and searching out companies that are looking for partners. We also think that Phoenix has been hit particularly hard with the real estate downturn. There's a lot of people that are turning to entrepreneurship as a means to helping that recovery occur. And so we want to be a participant in that. We think that the products and services that Funding Universe has to offer can go a long way to helping mend some of the challenges that the real estate market has created down there. And, it's also close by. We want to be there regularly. We want to have a strong presence there. We want to be physically available often. And so us having a full-time office and staff and quick plane trips from support staff and so forth means that we can really try and make a dent in things down there, as opposed to having kind of a passive interest. So a lot of folks do events, but we really wanted to focus on being a member of the community, participating in the rebound and the recovery, and in fact are committing resources of time, money, and people to proactively make that happen.
Thank you, Alex, for taking time to talk with us today.
It's my pleasure. We're excited to be in Phoenix and look forward to welcoming everyone to our offices and our events and doing what we can to help increase the entrepreneurial activity in the area.
We've been joined today by Alex Lawrence at Funding Universe. For more information about Funding Universe's upcoming CrowdPitch events or other events, or other resources they have to offer, visit www.fundinguniverse.com.